We are today, gone tomorrow. Get some changes, make some changes, make time continue. We are today, gone tomorrow. Left today, like this not tomorrow. Welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today I want to teach you how to use Python code to find for a lyrics of a song. Please, can you take time for me to teach you? So before you start, you need to install some library packages in your CLI application, either command prompt or PowerShell application. So inside your CLI application, you type this command to install these library packages. So you will type pipe install lyrics genius library inside your CLI application. So when you finish installing these library packages inside your CLI application, you will set up your text editor and import these library packages inside your code. So inside your text editor, you type import lyrics genius. So when you finish, we want to include our Genius API in our code so that this API can help us to search for the song lyrics for us. So you go to your web browser and search for Genius API. So when you search for Genius API, you're going to see this home page. You will click on this link, Genius API. So you are going to see this home page here. And if this is your first time using this Genius API in your code, you need to create an account first. And you are going to see this, get started. So the first paragraph, you are going to see API client management page. So you click on the link. So when you click on it, you are going to see sign up or log in into your account. So if this is your first time using it, you click on the sign up. So you can sign up with your Facebook, your Twitter, or your Google. So I'll create an account. So I'll come to the test area and enter my nickname here. So my Genius nickname, I will name it as Hidden Syntax, and I'll add my email to it. And I'll create my password. So after that, I'll click on the create account. So when I click on the create account, you are going to see this home page here. So we want to get access to their API. So I will click on new API client button. So we are going to see a text label and a text box here. And the text labels are app name, icon URL, app website URL, and a direct URL. So inside the text box under the app name, you name it as lyrics fetcher. So you are going to see this text label called app website URL. So you can copy any of your social media URL and paste it inside the text area of the app website URL. So I'll paste my YouTube URL inside the text area and click on the save, and you're going to see generated access token. So you click on it and the token will generate your API key for you. So you select it and copy it. So when you finish, you come back to your code. So we will create a variable that will hold or store the API key for us. So we will create a variable called API key and we will assign it to our generated API token. So you bring your double quote and paste your generated API token inside the double quote. So when you finish, you want to authenticate this API token inside our code. So you create a variable and our variable name, you name it as Genius. So you assign it to our Genius library, and you use that to access our Genius class. So you type dot Genius. So you bring your bracket open and close, and inside the parentheses, you will type your API key variable. That is storing our generated API. We generated it from the Genius API to be authenticated. So when you finish, we want to design our code in such a way that the user will enter the artist name. So we create a variable that is going to store the artist name. So our variable name is going to be artist. So we assign it to our input function. And inside our input function, you will type enter the artist name. So when you finish that, we want our user to enter the song title of the artist. So you create another variable so that we can use it to store the song title. And our variable name will be song title. So you assign it to our input function again. And inside the input function, we type enter the song title. So when you finish that, we want our API to search for the artist name and the song title so that we can get the lyrics. So you create another variable again so that it can help us to store the lyrics our API generated it for us. So you create a variable called song and you assign it to our Genius variable that was used to authenticate the API. So we use that to access our search song method. So you type dot and you type search song. And inside the method, you will type the variable that is storing the artist name and the song title. So the variables are artist and song title. So when you finish, we want to perform some condition here. We want to find out if our Genius API was able to search for the song lyrics for us. So we will use our if and else to make the condition for us. So you type if song and you bring your column. So this if song condition here, you want to check out if our song variable is empty or not. So that means that our Genius API was able to find for our lyrics for us. So you will type print and inside the print function you type song dot lyrics. So we use our print function to display if our song variable is empty or not. So that means that our Genius was able to find for the song for us. So when you finish that, you come and type else and you bring your column. And inside the else statement, you will type print and you will type the lyrics was not found. So we are using this else to display if the if condition is not true, then it should display the lyrics was not found. So when you finish that, you are all set to run your code. So I'll run my code and you're going to see this command line user interface inside your terminal. So you're going to see enter the artist name. So I'll enter my favorite artist name called Black Sheriff. And after that, I'll enter the song title of Black Sheriff. So I'll type changes. and press enter. So you're going to see that our code will display the song lyrics of Changes that was produced by Black Sherif. So I'll play the song for you to sing along with the lyrics. Joseph when I remember you, when I hear you really turn in the country style. Oh, you keeping it working? No, 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 no. So you please just to watch the show and keeping. When you see us walking, that they know what it's like. You're getting me, you're letting down by you. Things that it's like to be me again. And living to there's no need we say, baby, why you going, why you running? You can run with something. Oh Lord, we want something. So I'm taking my distance now. Holy paper, I'm searching now. And you are moving now. We are today. Gone tomorrow. Make some changes. Make some changes. Make time continue. We are today. Gone tomorrow. Left today. Like this, not tomorrow. I'm not saying Rasta, you are the truth. See me, I'm not the truth. Make me I keep the truth. Cause when you're here, the moon is here. Tell me how you. Let us say me tell me, oh, yeah, yeah. So I'm keeping my distance till now. Holy paper, I'm searching now. And I'm giving now. We are today, gone tomorrow. Make some changes, make some changes, make God tomorrow. We are today, not tomorrow. So please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for me. And in case you missed any of these code steps, I'll put a link in the description. Click on it and download the source code. Thank you very much.